not happy.
You have students who are going to cry to you. I see your head. You know.
Hello, Dolly.
Hi,
I am the principal.
Oh,
Ngimnomkhulu walakhaya.
wow, nice
Yeah.
to meet you, Principal.
Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you and I'm expecting great things.
Really?
Yeah, so prove
Okay,
me
that's
right.
nice. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
My own sister, my little sister, she's looking for part-time classes, and I don't know which subject that you have, so then I can tell her to come and register.
I'm telling you, she came to the right place. So we have lots of different courses part-time. We have business management, so if she's in the business world, she wants to go somewhere business related. We have human resources management as well. We have bookkeeping. We have financial accounting. So there's a lot of, and public management. So there's a lot of opportunity. She can come and see us, and we were able to follow stomfaka lapha line mina mele ukuthi hambe khona.
Uze abe la
Ukuthi ifike ngale
atofunza.
njengawe. Ngithi
Shame.
sokuqalele
Mina
wena.
phela sengiqalile ama-class ami. Okay, ngiyabonga principal. Yathi ngizomtshela nomntwana ete ato-register angamoshakalelwa lisasa lakhe ukuthi ahlale ekhaya akete atofunda atobhalisa.
Whoa, girl, the time is going, eh? Your class is waiting.
Cha.